Hello guys, in this video we will learn Linux more command with examples. More command is used to view the contents of a file on a console. Let's verify the manual of more command. Man more. More is a filter for paging through text one screen at a time. So we can view the content of a file page by page at a time. This is the synapse. More, then option, then provide the file name. These are the options. At present, I have these files. Suppose if I want to view this ls.txt file information, then use the command more ls.txt. If you want to go to next page, then use the spacebar on your keyboard. Again, spacebar on your keyboard. If you want to go back, then press B. If you want to quit from this file, then press Q on your keyboard. Clear screen. Suppose if you want to get help while viewing a file, more -d. -d is used to get help. ls.txt. See, before this option was not there. See, press space to continue or Q to quit. If you press space, then it will go to next page. Press Q, then it will quit. See the difference. If you simply give file name, the help is not displayed here. Before, help was displayed like continue and Q. Now next example is more -number, then file name. More -10 then file name. What this will do? This will display file names per page. See, if you want to display another file names, use tab or D. Again D. See, that's 5 more lines. Press Q to quit. Suppose if you want to display 10 lines per page, then use more -10, then file name. File not like this. Use more -10 ls.txt. See, it has displayed total 10 lines per page. If you want to see next 10 lines, use the tab or D. If you want to go to back 10 lines, then use B. Okay. Next command is more -d30 and file name. What this command will do? This command displays the file information from the line 31. See, before data was not showing. It started from the line number 30. Suppose if you want to display file starting from 10th line plus 10 and file name. See, started from the line number 10. It continues to display remaining text. Press Q to quit. Next command is more, then plus symbol, then slash, then hide and file name. What this command will do? This command will search the string hide from ls.txt file. Let's verify. See, this file contains hide. If you want to see the next hide string, then press the N from your keyboard. See, it contains one more hide. Again, check hide is there or not in your file. Notice here, pattern not found. So, this file contains only 2 hide strings. If you want to go back, then use B. This command will display the contents of ls.txt. Now, if you want to find a string in the file, use the command slash, then type the string we want to search in this file. Press /, then type the string, then press enter. See, file contains hide. If you want to see next occurrence of the same string, then press N from your keyboard. See, one more hide string is there. Again, if you want to see next occurrence of string, then press N. So, pattern not found, which means it contains only 2 hide strings in the file. Press Q to quit. So, in this video, we have seen Linux more command with examples. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.